Your next car could be the 2018 Lincoln MKC. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an elegant and capable MKC, the compact SUV that prioritizes passenger comfort and amenities while delivering a powerful, agile drive. A wide range of available options lets you follow your heart to create a personal travel experience that is truly inspiring. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless start, active suspension, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera. Serene blends seamlessly with sensational in this lush and powerful MKC. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.